So at last, we're at continuous deployment. Real simple, folks. The real simple explanation here, if you didn't already get it from the last class, or the difference between delivery and deployment is that the deployment is actually automated. So if you wanted the actual hit the commit and it goes to production, bang. Later in this course, we will talk about some of the kind of exotic, I call exotic, but what they call deployment strategies. So that there's this kind of gray area between something getting automated deployed and not really being turned on. Dark deploys and all that stuff. We covered that in the last course, but we'll actually have some labs for that. So again, here's the Wikipedia definition, the tech target definition. I'll let you take a look at those for a little, I don't know, 30, 40 seconds. You can actually stop the video if you want to freeze the video. But again, I'm going to just kind of hone in on the effective DevOps because, again, I like, the way they think. Catherine Daniels over at Etsy, Jennifer Davis is over at Chef. They're pretty smart women leading our industry, lead a lot, DevOps leaders, if you will, in every sense of the word. Continuous deployment is the process deploying changes to production through the engineering of application deployment that has defined tests and validations to minimize risk. While continuous delivery makes sure that the changes are able to be deployed, continuous deployment means that they get deployed into production. Bang! Key points: code is deployed. Continuous deployment includes both continuous integration and continuous delivery. I found this kind of Yasel Sodman's blog post on his Chris blog. Just another way to show you the kind of visual, if you will. A continuous delivery on top would assume that the after the test, but prior to deploy, is a stopped. It stays. Maybe somebody wants to manually. There's a reason why it needs to be manually done. Maybe it's something that has to be done in the evening. There's mixing and matches. Some things can be automated deployed, and some things could be deployed. Some things can be delivered. And then the continuous deployment, right? It's all automated. You hit the button, you commit, it's gone. And again, there's a lot of complexity in how you want to build these things. And we'll cover a fair amount of pipelines and commits and testing. And this is an introduction to continuous delivery. So